import bulk goods using SBLC. Are you looking to purchase goods from local supplier but facing lack of cash funds to pay immediately? We are having the right solution for you. With SBLC, you can purchase the required goods and pay the supplier on credit basis within the due date. Usually to issue the standby LC, banks will demand the importers to provide 100% cash margin as collateral. In case if you face lack of cash funds to meet the bank demands, then you can contact us with your SBLC request. We are the 30+ years experienced SBLC providers in Dubai who assist importers by facilitating standby letter of credit from European banks at zero collateral. Apply for standby LC and get the SBLC MT760 issued within 48 hours. Discuss with us to know our SBLC issuance process. Email us support@importletterofcredit.com. Call us 971455196999. Call or WhatsApp or bottom 9715046487661. Visit www.importletterofcredit.com.